Hello guys, this is Ferdous from the Techzoo and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will tell you how to swap faces in Photoshop CC 2019. First, I have opened two pictures in our Photoshop software. One is our favorite robot extension Mr. Bean and another is a sample face. First, select any of your favorite tool, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool or magnet lasso tool as you wish. I am preferring the lasso tool for this case. Select the face structure for the sample face. Now copy it and paste it on the another photo. I press Ctrl or Command T for the transform tools and adjust it on the face. Let's adjust it. It's looking good now. Now copy the background layer, make a duplicate of it. So go to the layer box, press on the background layer and click Ctrl or Command J. This will create a duplicate of your background layer. Now select the face and click on the Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. It will create a selection of it. Go to the duplicated background layer, go to select, modify, contract, and let's contract it by 5 pixels. Click OK and delete it. Now we want to blend the new face and the background face. So select the two faces, click on edit, auto blend layers, and click OK. The face has been changed and it's looking very good now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.